And that would be Blaine Oliver.
All right, Chrissy, very nicely done. I've noticed some improvement. I've only seen, I think, one other speech you gave, but I think overall, very well delivered. I think, a couple things right off the gate. I'm producing filler words here. I guess good things off the gate. You were able to grab the audience's attention. I think, just your passion, I guess, came through, and you could tell that you were really involved in the subject. I mean, you obviously love your kids, and you seem like you're a great mother. So it's that kind of came through your speech. I noticed that you paused and I guess gave the audience a chance to digest your message, which was good. And you also connected, I think, with each and every one. You scanned the audience and kind of made eye contact very, very well. So your message was great, like I said. It's very thought-provoking. You gave some realistic examples. Let's see. So you did well as far as not using paper for the most part, but I guess the main concern is if you're going to use paper, don't use it for the intro. That's just something I noticed. I think did well throughout, but just something we're working on. Oh, for the song, I enjoyed the song, and I think it kind of got everyone probably reminiscing on their past and how much they love their mother, but maybe have a visual to go along with the song, kind of, because it's maybe a little awkward for some to look at the phone, or maybe just have a visual next time. But she loved